Hi guys, my name's Gavin Rolph from Rolph & Co Photography, and this is my top 5 tips for photographing people. Number 1, take your time to get to know your subject. If you want to bring their personality out in the image, how are you going to do that if you don't know them? 2, use a light source that flatters your subject. Softer is better and will generally smooth out the skin, make everything look a little bit better. But if you can't alter your light, for example if you're outside in bright sunlight, try and reflect the light a little bit. Stand someone in shadow, stand them near a white wall. It'll do the same effect. 3, what you do and say counts. Make your client feel at ease. This applies to people of any age. If you're feeling relaxed, they'll feel relaxed too. And not only will it look better on images, they'll enjoy the experience 10 times more as well. That leads straight into, if you want them to smile, make them laugh. Don't tell them to smile, don't try and fake it. If you want them to look like they're running, get them to run. The best way to fake it is to just do it. 5, most important one, attention to detail. Look at what you're shooting. Make sure to remove distractions. Things like straps sticking out, hands in odd places, things behind people's heads. They all just distract your eye away from the person. So you want to make sure to take that extra second to look at what you're shooting before you shoot it, rather than getting into kind of editing later on and seeing these irritating things when you can't change it. It's too late. Thanks again for watching. Obviously, click subscribe. We'll post loads more videos. Hopefully help you out.